Welcome to another video today, and I'm going to tell you about inverse of a matrix in this video. In case you want to stay updated about our channel, you can actually subscribe it, but let's get on to the topic for the day. Inverse of a matrix. If let's say for example you have any matrix A. Inverse of a matrix is generally written as minus A, right? An inverse of a matrix, what it means is that it is another matrix which, when added to the original matrix, gives the result equal to 0. The basic funda that the order of two matrices has to be the same for addition still continues here, right? And therefore what is going to happen is, if to a matrix A I add something which is a negative of that matrix, it needs not necessarily be that you'll be told that this is minus A. You may be given any matrix, right? And you might be told, can you add these two and find out what is the correlation between these two? So inverse of a matrix A, denoted as minus A, is the matrix whereby the sum of the original matrix and the other matrix is equal to 0. Let's take an example to prove this point. So in this particular question or a problem at hand, you're told that if A is equal to 3 minus 2, 0, minus 5, 7, and square root of 2, find minus A, right? Now, in order to find minus A, what you need to do is you need to put in a minus sign and then put in all the elements which are there in the matrix A. Or to simply speaking, we just need to put a minus here, apply this minus 1 to each and every item. You multiply this or simply change the sign of all the numbers within the matrix and you get minus A. So if you have 3, you will put this as minus 3. If you have minus 5, you will put this as 5, because we are changing the sign from minus to plus. For minus 2, it will be minus 2 into minus 1, which is plus 2. 7 becomes minus 7. 0 remains 0. Square root of 2 becomes square root of minus 2. Right? Simple. To find minus A, I just changed the sign of all the elements of the matrix A. And what do I need to verify? I need to verify that the sum of A plus minus A, or in other words, the sum of this matrix and the sum of minus A, which is this matrix, these two, is equal to 0. I'm not going to get into the second part because this we've already proved that if there are two matrices A plus A is always equal to minus A plus A. The change of order in these matrices does not change the result. So even if I can just prove that A plus minus A is equal to 0, that means even minus A plus A is equal to 0. Right? So let's do that. So if I have to find out A plus minus A, I guess this is just, let me just increase the thickness. So it is 3 minus 5 minus 2, 7, 0 and root 2. This is the value of A. I need to add minus A to it. Minus 3, 5, 2, minus 7, 0 and minus root 2. So what is the answer that I get? For lack of space, I might have to just do a little bit of a squeezing here. So what I've got is, I have 3 over here and minus 3 over here. So 3 plus minus 3 would be how much? Obviously that's going to be 0. Right? Minus 2 plus 2 is going to be how much? 0. 0 plus 0, obviously 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Root 2 minus root 2, 0. Right? So what have we got here is a null matrix or a 0 matrix. Right? Hence we can say that A plus minus A is equal to a null or a void matrix, which is 0. Right? I hope you had a good time understanding this concept. Thank you for being with us today.